Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make tom yum paste at home, only way. Begin by gathering lemongrass stalks, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, dried chilies, garlic, shallots, cilantro roots, shrimp paste, lime juice, oil, and salt. I will guide you through toasting, pounding, and blending each ingredient for a balanced paste. Follow simple proportions, and I'll share storage tips so your paste stays vibrant and ready for quick tom yum, marinades, or stir fries. Collect the right ingredients before you start, and your paste will sing. Pick firm lemongrass, fresh galangal, and fragrant kaffir lime leaves for bright aromatics. Choose dried chilies based on heat preference and toast them lightly for extra depth. Use a small amount of shrimp paste for umami and finish with fresh lime juice to balance spice. I'll explain how much of each to use for consistent results. Start by toasting chilies until fragrant, then soak to rehydrate and soften. Grind or pulse garlic, shallots, lemongrass, galangal, and kaffir lime until you reach a coarse, paste-like texture. Add softened chilies, shrimp paste, and a splash of oil, and blend until smooth or slightly chunky as you prefer. Taste and tweak with lime, juice, and salt until the balance feels right. I'll offer alternatives for tools and pace.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.